Fix, there is no game with name EFT, parameter name, game error 0. This EFT error usually happens when the launcher cannot detect the game files, the installation path is broken, or temporary launcher data is corrupted. Follow these steps. Hashtesher 1, repair the game through the EFT launcher. 1, open BSG launcher. 2, go to settings, top right gear icon. 3, click verify integrity or repair. 4, let it complete and restart the launcher. This fixes missing or incorrectly mapped game files. 2, correct the game folder path. Sometimes the launcher loses the game path. 1, open BSG launcher. 2, go to settings, game directory. 3, set the path manually to C, Battle State Games, Escape From Tarkov, or wherever you installed it. 4, save, restart launcher. Number 3, delete the launcher's temp cache. Corrupted cache is the #1 reason for this specific error. 1, close launcher. 2, go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete all folders named Battle State Games. 4, reopen launcher, it will rebuild clean data. 4, reinstall the EFT launcher. Do not delete the game. 1, uninstall Battle State Games launcher, only. 2, download latest launcher from the EFT website. 3, install, it will automatically detect your existing game files. This fixes broken launcher game communication. 5, check antivirus firewall blocking. Make sure the following EXEs are whitelisted: Escape From Tarkov.exe, BSG Launcher.exe. Allow them in: Windows Defender, Antivirus, Avast Bitdefender, etc. Firewall. 6, run launcher as administrator. Right-click BSG Launcher.exe, run as administrator. Often solves the directory read error instantly. If nothing works, final fix, rename your game folder manually. 1, go to your EFT directory. 2, rename folder from Escape From Tarkov, EFT. 3, reopen launcher. Some installations mismatch folder names and cause this exact error. If you want, I can